You see that your hair that refused to grow. You see that your shedding that refused to stop. You see that your bald head that refused to grow some hair. All you need is just today's video. Today's video only. That's what you need to grow back your hair on bald spots, stop shedding, and make your hair grow from stuntedness. Yes, that's all you need. I came with fire today. I am on fire today. The best herbal spray you will ever find on the internet. That is what I have brought to you today. I grew my hair from bald to hip bone length by consistently using this recipe. So many people feel like having long hair is only genetics or their hair just doesn't grow. These are both lies. Where do you get the lies from that you just need genetics only for your hair to grow? Or you feel that you just wake up one morning and feel that your hair will never grow? You lie. Sis, bro, you lie. These are both lies. Here is a recipe you need to use consistently to grow healthy hair. Those of you leaving comments like, it's just genetics, compare my hair now, do this 2025 or today, compare it with my hair 2020. Compare the difference. What makes you think that your hair is not growing? Sis, the only thing is just that you're not retaining length. I don't know if it's from your detangling or from the wrong products you purchase out there and use, or just that you don't know how to manage your hair. But today I am going to shock you. Save this video. You can share it if you want, or just save it. Just try it first. Today's recipe is a no joke recipe, so sit right back. Do not go anywhere. Do not touch that dial button. Watch this video and save the ingredients. So without further ado, I am going straight into the video. That is the herbal spray, and we are going to make it from scratch. All you need to do is just to grab a jar. Make sure it is clean. Make sure it is sterilized, because sometimes your bottle might be the problem. The tools that you're using might be the problem. So make sure it is clean. And our first ingredient is cloves. Cloves buds. This is what it looks like, just in case you're confused. Go on Amazon and go type cloves. CLOVES. Type it on the Amazon website and you will see a lot of vendors selling it. Don't worry, it is the same clove, just purchase it. Moving on to the second ingredient, these are the most legendary herbs for hair growth, and that is what I'm sharing with you today. These herbs that I'm sharing on this video, they are the most legendary and very effective herbs. So all in 1 tablespoon. The cloves is 1 tablespoon, the fenugreek 1 tablespoon. That's our second ingredient. And now the third ingredient is rosemary, dried rosemary. If you don't have the dried ones, if you don't have these whole ones, you can use the powdered one. They are all the same. The most important thing is just have these 4 ingredients that we are sharing on this video. So the third is rosemary leaves, and then the fourth is cinnamon. Most of you love to add cinnamon to your pastries, to whatever. Some of you add it to your dishes. Today we are using this cinnamon for our hair. Did you know that this cinnamon helps with hair growth? Okay, I will leave you to do your homework. Go research on cinnamon for hair growth. Make sure to read the articles on cinnamon for hair growth. So you just need a stick like so. Pour about 500 ml worth of hot water boiling water. Once your water starts boiling to the boiling point, bring it down and pour about 500 ml. Follow our proportions. So steep it in that hot water for about 12 hours. Please, I know I always say 8 to 12 hours, but today's recipe, sis, leave your own for 12 hours. Do not ferment it, just 12 hours. Now proceed to strain. I have my reasons for always telling you guys to strain after 12 hours. Do not allow it to ferment. Now, sis, bro, help me transfer that potent herbal spray into a spray bottle like so. Or if you don't have a spray bottle, don't worry, sister. Don't worry, brother. Just leave it in wherever you have it. Anything you have, leave it. Apply that spray or that herbal tea that we just made now. Apply it on your hair for me. Make sure if you're leaving it in as a leave-in treatment, just as I would always show you guys in my videos, I always leave it in because I feel that's the best way to use these herbal ingredients, and that's the most effective way. I'm not saying that rinsing it out is not effective, but I feel, my opinion is, leaving it in your hair and following up with leave-in conditioner. Those of you that complain of dryness after using herbal teas, please help me apply leave-in conditioner after spraying it. Just use it to dampen your hair, just as DINMA is showing you on this video. Just dampen it. See, as I'm applying my own, just follow suit. Apply your own like that. Do not flood it. I do not say bath yourself with it. Just dampen. If you don't understand the meaning of dampen, just use your dictionary to check that up. Do not drench. I mean dampen. So when you are done dampening it, proceed to applying your leave-in conditioner for me. After applying it, go ahead and seal it with hair grease or hair growth butter, whichever you have. Even if it's hair growth oil, whichever you have, just help me and apply it. After applying it, go your normal business. Yeah, do it, just repeat it for me every 2 to 3 times a week. If you're the type who doesn't have time, do it once in a week, 2 times in a week. But if you have so much time in your hands, do it 3 times in a week. You can choose Monday, Wednesday, Saturday, whichever you like. Just be applying it, whether you're in protective style or whether you're not in protective style. Sis, just apply, they go. Apply, they go. Just apply it like that for me. If your hair is bald, your head, you're bald, just apply it on that place. Massage it and leave it go your way. If your hair is shedding, on wash days after shampooing and deep conditioner, just pour this particular spray on your hair. Drench it. Then after 30 minutes, rinse it off. Sis, I need your feedbacks. Thank you for watching. See you on my next one.